For technicians working in automotive, aviation, HVAC, plumbing, appliance repair, or factory equipment maintenance, small fasteners with limited visibility and access can be a constant challenge. That's why we've created the NanoAxcess drivers from Snap-on. Snap-on's NanoAxcess drivers come in two different configurations. The CT-NN3040 angled pistol grip driver and the CT-NN1040 straight handle driver are both small and compact enough to work in today's component-dense world. Both feature a 1/4-inch square drive head with ball detent to function with sockets, bits, and extensions. Both drivers feature ergonomically optimized grip for balanced comfort and control. The electronic forward and reverse controls are conveniently located to allow for one-handed use. The variable speed trigger with soft start allows for controlled application and removal of fasteners. The integrated LED light illuminates the work area. The robust electric motors produce up to 44 inch-pounds of powered torque to remove a variety of small fasteners. More stubborn fasteners can be broken loose manually and then removed with up to 300 RPMs. The 4 amp-hour integrated battery drives over 600 fasteners per charge, allowing for all-day performance and fully charges within 2 hours, perfect for busy mobile technicians. The integrated tri-color LED battery status indicator light ensures you know the level of charge at a glance. The kit comes complete in our Pro-Fi foam storage tray to help keep tools organized and protect against oils and solvents. When you need a compact, versatile driver for those hard-to-access fasteners, look no further than this NanoAxcess toolkit. Talk to your Snap-on account manager today.